Namaste everyone and welcome back to Rooted Disha. If you feel stiff from working long hours, sitting long hours, working on a desk or traveling or even doing intense workout, this 15 minutes body stretch yoga is exactly for you. Today's session will improve your flexibility, mobility, posture and overall body relaxation. Move gently, breathe deeply and never force your body into any position. So let's begin. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through the nose and slowly exhale. Again, inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Now, gently drop your right ear towards your right shoulder. Feel the stretch on the left side of your neck. Breathe naturally. Come back to center and switch the sides. Slowly look down towards the chest. Then lift the chin slightly upward. Repeat it and return to neutral. Roll your shoulders backwards. Big circles. Lift up, back, drop down. Repeat it for the 3 times. Slow and controlled. Now reverse the direction. 3 times. Continue rolling your shoulder to the reverse direction and relax in center. Bring your right arm across the chest. Use your left hand to gently pull it closer. Feel the stretch in your shoulder and stay there for a while. Now switch the side and feel the same. Stay there for a while for a good stretching. And come on to all fours. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, lift your chest and tailbone. Look slightly upward, cow pose. Exhale, round the spine, pull the navel in. Drop the head, cat pose. Continue slowly with your breath. Inhale, open, exhale, round. Feel every part of the spine moving. 2 more rounds and release. Bring your hips back towards your heels. Extend your arms forward. Relax your forehead down. Take slow breaths. Feel the stretch through the back, shoulders and hips. Allow your body to soften. Stay here and gently come up. Come on to kneeling position. Put your right leg in front and both hands on the right knee. Keep moving through your hips. Feel a nice stretch to your left hip and inner thigh. Keep moving. Gently come back. Again in kneeling position and left leg in front. Both hands on your left knee and keep moving. Do it gently. Feel a nice stretch to your right knee and left inner thigh. Keep moving. Put your leg back and again come into kneeling position and sit with both legs extended and wide. Now, inhale, both hands up, go to right side. Both hands up, go to left side. Keep moving. Inhale up, exhale down. Again inhale up, exhale down. Keep moving and feel this nice stretch to your hamstrings and inner thighs. Move your body right and left, side to side. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, go down and stay there for a while. Again inhale up, go to other side and stay there for a while. Now put your both legs in a Namaskar Mudra. Keep your knees moving, flap your wings as per your capacity. Flap, continue flapping. Move your knees. Flap, flap and flap and relax. Lie down on your back. Both legs up. Both hands in W position. Now, put your knee to opposite heel and twist your waist. Keep moving. Keep moving alternate side, knee to heel and change this side. Knee to heel. Keep moving. Now, stay there for a while. Change the side and stay there for a while. Now bring your ankles towards your chest. Hold the outer edges of your feet or ankles. Gently pull the knees towards the floor. Relax your shoulders and breathe deeply. Feel a nice stretch to your hips. And then relax. Extend your legs, arms by your sides. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel the entire body relaxed. Notice the difference, a little more space, a little more freedom, a little more ease. Stay here for a few breaths. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Rooted Disha. Till that, stay flexible, stay rooted and stay healthy. Namaste.